Good morning, children. Today we will study about the globe. Our topic is globe. Now, what is a globe? A globe is a true model of the earth. This is a globe. Our planet Earth, it just look like all the other planets and is spherical in shape. It appears blue in color when we see from the space. This is the small model of the earth. We can see this is the small model of the earth. Now there are tools to study the earth. There are two tools by which we can study the earth. One is the globe and the other is maps. Through maps also we can study the whole earth, and through the globe also we can study the whole earth. There are some features on a smaller scale. Some different features it shows on a smaller scale. This picture, it shows what our earth look likes. It gives us the idea about the relative size and as well as its water bodies on the earth. Now water bodies are, the oceans are shown in blue color. We can see here, and there are 5 oceans: Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Arctic Ocean and Southern Ocean. Now, what are continents? The large extensive masses of land on the earth are called continents. There are 7 continents: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Australia and Antarctica. Now poles. When the earth rotates or turns on its axis of rotation, and this axis is an imaginary line passing through the earth that points north and south. This is the North Pole and this is the South Pole. Now the imaginary line that divides the earth, this is our whole earth, and the imaginary line is this one. It divides the earth into 2 equal parts. This imaginary line is known as the equator. The portion above the equator is the northern hemisphere, and the portion below the equator is the southern hemisphere. Now we have studied about the globe. Now we will look for the advantages also. What are the advantages of this globe? There are some advantages. The globe, it is smaller in size and it is convenient to carry. It is easy to carry anywhere, and it tells us about all the features of the earth in this globe. Thank you.